When you see the signs that it's time for a roof replacement for your home in Allen early on, you can avoid an array of issues and get a new roof quickly. You'll need to look for these signs to keep your home protected. You may notice leaks in your home. This isn't just inconvenient, it's dangerous for your home's foundation and interior walls. If your roof is leaking, it may be time to consider an inspection from a trusted contractor. Another sign that it might be time for a roof replacement is if moss, mold, or mildew have overtaken your roof. This indicates that moisture has been trapped in your roof, and it may be time to completely replace it to ensure that you're addressing any underlying problems. If your home's roof is missing shingles, you may find yourself unprotected from turbulent weather in Collin County. If the problem is extensive, it might be time for a roof replacement. When you see any of these signs, it's best to reach out to the pros. So, if you think your home in Allen needs a roof replacement, call the experts at Phillips Home Improvements at 972-867-9792 for your quote today.